I did this and removed 5 kilograms of belly fat in 30 days. Works 100%. The most impressive thing about this recipe is that it has been recommended by specialists for people with high cholesterol, so you can lower cholesterol, burn fat and help your body fight many other diseases. So pay close attention and just follow these simple instructions. Lemon, parsley and baking soda. Ingredients: 3 lemons, 2 bunches of parsley, 2 liters of filtered water, sodium bicarbonate. Process: wash the lemons with baking soda to remove any pesticides and impurities. In a pot, boil the water for a few minutes, then remove from heat and let cool. Cut the lemons into pieces and chop the parsley, both mixtures with water. Close the mixture and keep in the refrigerator overnight. The next morning, pour the mixture into a glass bottle or bottle. Mode of consumption: take 100 grs every day. The results are amazing. You will see that your cholesterol levels will go down and you will burn fat at the same time. Another recipe that works very well: recipe for apple cider vinegar with baking soda. You need ½ teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 1 glass of water. Process: mix all the ingredients in the glass of water and ready. Drink this mixture every morning on an empty stomach. This way you will eliminate